I am Jabri Chambers and I'm visiting from New York. As I was walking by, I noticed that I saw this system sitting on the table and how easy it was to like take photos of your products. And I'm like, oh, I need this for my website. Also, my business partner has been expressing to me that we should be taking advantage of this so that we could save time. And so since I got to see it up close, I decided to stop by and say, hey, tell me about this product. The first thing I thought is, oh, I'm gonna be able to save time. I don't have to hire a photographer. I don't have to rent space. I could do this right in my office, right on my desk. It doesn't take up a lot of time. And also I can update this on my website in a few seconds or a couple of minutes. I can also create catalogs I can send out to clients. I would say voila. Because the clarity on the camera also was so good. Also, I love that there were no shadows on the product. And I had thought about how I use my phone sometimes to take pictures of the details of some of my products and it blurs out. So voila was what I thought.